What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking my Ridstar Q20 out mudding on some local trails. We have some other people coming with us. And stay tuned because this is going to be a good video. Alright, y'all, so it's been storming like really bad in my area lately. So the local trails are like extremely muddy. So yeah, we're just going to go over there, do a little bit of riding. My bike's going to get absolutely filthy. But that's all right because we'll clean it. It's no big deal. And I don't know how it's gonna hold up because I have street tires on it now. Assuming that everything goes to plan, I have a sponsor bike that's gonna be shipped out to me this week, which it should already be arrived or almost arrived when you're watching this video. But I'm gonna be doing one video unboxing and reviewing it, and another one completely modding it out and making it look sick. As you all saw in my last video, I just got these new handlebars for my bike, and I was struggling to wheelie. I've gotten a little better, and I'll show y'all a little foot drag, or I'll show y'all a wheelie with a feet drag, and then after that, I'll show y'all a real wheelie, or I'm gonna try to at least. All right, 3, 2, 1. Not too bad. All right, now we're gonna try and do a real one. Oh, I about just looped it right there. But as you can see, I'm getting a little better. It is a lot harder to do on the low bars on this bike, since it's low torque, because it's a hub motor. So yeah, still improving. So another person that's going to this ride, his name is MTB Boy VR or something like that. I'll put his @ somewhere on the screen. Go subscribe to him, he makes pretty good videos. All right, we're almost to the trail where we're gonna be doing the ride. We have about maybe another mile or so left, but we just gotta come up here, cross the main road, and then go through another paved trail, and then we'll be up at the park, and then we're gonna go hit the trails, get a little muddy, and have a good time. All right, we'll be over at the park after this little paved trail, and then we're gonna meet up at a big, like a little hill area. And then, yeah. Just riding on this paved trail, it's already soaking wet. So that tells me that this trail is gonna be like absolutely insanely muddy. Because this area gets a whole lot of more sun than this trail does. So I don't know what we're gonna be getting into today, but I've ridden this trail before. I used to have a Jetson before I started posting content. And I used to ride that in the mud, and it did awful. Well, obviously that's expected from a Jetson, but it has street tires, and so does this. So I'm kind of nervous about this. We're meeting up at this hill right over here. Oh, I guess we're not. Oh, that was really muddy. All right, well, I guess I gotta run around because they're on the other side of a little creek. Oh, there's Mitchell. What's up? This is the mic.
Yeah,
it's tiny, dude.
Yeah, it's a lot different. Battery good?
I haven't had it die on me yet, so that's good. But also I just like record something and just stop. So I don't record long. All right, everybody's behind me. We're gonna head over to this trail and go see what we can get into. Look at all the ducks. I don't know what video it was. I think it was my riding in the rain video. But ducks do not like me. I tried to say what's up to a couple ducks and they ran away. I'm like, what's wrong, bro? I'm just trying to say what's up. See, these are just nonchalant ducks. they'll bump it down a few speeds so I'm not getting in front all the time. Hey, you wanna go to the beach?
Huh?
You wanna go to that beach?
Yeah. I feel like he's gonna get yelled at.
Huh?
I feel like he's gonna get yelled at.
Yeah,
Like
for
up
sure.
here.
And I wanna be there this time so I can actually record it.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna fall for sure. I'm already about to fall. I don't know how they're staying up so good. But, hang on, I got straight tires, by the way. I better start recording more because I'm probably gonna fall and I don't want to miss it. I cannot hit my front brake, bro. And I'm in the back. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, this is actually so bad. I can't get any traction. And I got mud all up in my hair. Yo, holy crap. I just slipped. Hey Siri, call Mitchell. Bro, I didn't answer. Bro, they actually left me. Hang on. Maybe that'll catch your attention. Bro, I have no traction at all. Look what happens if I hit my front brake. It just slides.
Maybe you don't use the brake.
Well, I haven't been, but see? Hey, send me that. That was tough.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, I'm actually so bad at this. Yo, what the yo, that was scary. I'm actually gonna die, bro.
That's a little bit wet.
A little bit, not too bad. I didn't mean to get you. I was trying to get out.
Am I roosting you at all? Really?
Oh, that just got in my ear. Bro, I've been talking for like 5 minutes. I wasn't even recording. Actually, so weird. It's good. Bro, imagine if I hit my front brake right here and just pew.
Split off the edge.
That would be so bad. That was risky. Dude, these are new shoes. This trail is really fun to ride when it's just normal dirt, like not wet or anything. But since it's been storming so much and it's so wet, it's like really sketchy to ride. Oh my gosh, I'm sliding out. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a snake. Huh? Oh. Yo, I'm just carrying it down. Yo, that was freaking, the steps are massive. Yo, this is actually so tiring. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be going to a beach in a minute so we can chill for a little bit. Oh my gosh.
I'm not trying to.
Nah, that's fine. Hey, Mitchell. Mitchell. Holy, I'm sliding. Are you gonna try and go back up? Hey, where are you going? Oh, okay. Oh, the other dude's still back there. He might have fallen or something. Yo, it's been like 2 or 3 minutes since this dude's still back there. Oh, they don't leave him. I think he fell. Yo, you back here? Bro, I don't know. I think he might have turned back, because this is where I saw him. Yeah, I was riding up there, and then I saw him back here. I tried to get you, but you were... Oh, you do? I'm gonna go down there on foot too and not feel like bringing my bike back. Ooh. That's unfortunate. Alright, that dude's going home, so it's just the 3 of us now. It took like 10 minutes to get his bike up those stairs. Bro, I got mud in my shirt, like the back, and it's really itchy. It's so annoying. We had to go back a little while to find him. And then we had to help him bring his stuff back up. So that took like 10 or 20 minutes. Yo, I didn't know the Ridstar had enough power to just slide out like that. But I'm literally just drifting through these puddles. Oh crap, that one's a bad one. Oh, actually. Oh my gosh. I actually went like completely sideways there. Or sideways. These big puddles, you kind of have to like hit them with some speed. I'm kind of figuring that out. Bro, this would be so fun on a four-wheeler though. Just drifting through all of this. Just riding it on the little e-bike is kind of scary. See, like that was a slippery spot and it went fast and it went right through. Gotta go through a little more mud to get out. Yo! Bro, I don't know if you saw that or not, but I about just fell on my face. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you hadn't already, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.